Introduction. Hi there. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 simple tricks to organize your desk for maximum productivity. A cluttered desk can make it hard to focus, and when everything is in its place, you'll feel more organized and energized. Whether you're working from home or at the office, these tips will help you create an environment where you can thrive. Let's get started. Tip 1. Keep your desk clean. The first tip is simple but incredibly effective. Keep your desk clean. At the end of each day, clear off unnecessary items. Only leave the tools and papers you need for the next day's work. A clean desk helps your mind stay clear and focused, and it's also much more inviting to sit at every morning. Tip 2. Organize your cables. Tip number 2. Organize your cables. We all know how messy cables can get, right? Use cable organizers, clips, or even ties to bundle them together. Keep your charging cables, headphones, and other cords neatly arranged so that your desk looks tidy and you don't waste time entangling cables. Tip 3. Use vertical space. Tip number 3 is to use vertical space. Instead of cluttering your desk with books, files, or office supplies, add some shelves or wall-mounted storage. This way, you can keep your desk clear while still having easy access to your essentials. It also helps keep your workspace feeling more spacious and organized. Tip 4. Remove unnecessary items. Tip number 4. Remove unnecessary items. Take a moment to assess what's actually needed on your desk and get rid of what you don't use. Things like extra pens, old notebooks, or random paper clips only add to the clutter. Keep only what's useful, and find a drawer or another space for the rest. Tip 5. Label your items. Tip number 5. Label your items. Labeling your files, folders, and storage boxes makes it easier to find what you need and keeps everything in its place. When everything has its designated spot, you won't waste time looking for misplaced items, and your desk will stay organized. Tip 6. Personalize your space. Tip number 6 is to personalize your space. Add a touch of personality to your desk with a plant, a motivational quote, or a picture. This helps make your workspace feel more welcoming and comfortable, which can improve your mood and productivity. But be careful not to overdo it. Keep it simple and focused. Tip 7. Create a workflow system. Tip number 7. Create a workflow system. Organize your desk so that everything has a logical place. Keep frequently used items, like your computer or notebook, within easy reach. Items you use less often should be placed further away. This system saves time and reduces stress when you're trying to find what you need. Tip 8. Use a timer. Tip number 8. Use a timer. One great productivity trick is to set a timer for focused work sessions. The Pomodoro technique is a popular method where you work for 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This keeps you on track and helps prevent burnout. Keeping a timer on your desk reminds you to stay on task. Tip 9. Clean regularly. Tip number 9. Clean regularly. Make it a habit to clean your desk every week. Wipe down surfaces, organize papers, and get rid of anything that's no longer useful. This small effort keeps things tidy and ensures your workspace stays productive over time. Tip 10. Set small goals. Finally, tip number 10. Set small, achievable goals. Start each day with a clear plan. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and check them off as you go. This will help you stay focused, reduce procrastination, and feel accomplished throughout the day. Conclusion. And there you have it. 10 simple tricks to organize your desk for maximum productivity. A clean, organized workspace can make a huge difference in how efficiently you work. Which tip are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you next time.